Come with me on a journey, not across land or sea, but through time itself. Our story begins 13.8 billion years ago, when everything was compressed into a single, unimaginably dense point. Then, in a flash of energy, the universe began, the Big Bang. This was the birth of time, matter, and the laws of physics. The universe expanded and cooled, forming the first particles, protons, neutrons, and simple atomic nuclei. For hundreds of thousands of years, the cosmos was a hot, dense fog where light was trapped. But as the universe cooled, electrons joined nuclei to form the first atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. Suddenly, light was free to travel, and the universe became transparent. This ancient light, the cosmic microwave background, still echoes across space today, a baby picture of our universe. With the fog lifted, the universe entered the cosmic dark ages. No stars, just vast clouds of gas. But these clouds weren't uniform. Tiny fluctuations in density became the seeds of everything to come. Gravity began its patient work, pulling denser regions together. These small differences would shape the future, setting the stage for the first stars and galaxies. The universe was no longer a blank canvas, but a place where structure could emerge. From this darkness, the next chapter of cosmic creation was about to begin. The story of everything was underway. The universe, once a hot, uniform fog, was now primed for transformation. The first lights were about to flicker on, and with them, the cosmos would never be the same. The journey of creation had truly begun. Gravity gathered gas into swirling clouds, nebulae, the universe's first nurseries. Deep inside, pressure and temperature soared until hydrogen atoms fused, igniting the first stars. These giants burned hot and bright, ending the cosmic dark ages. They lived fast, died young, and exploded as supernovae, briefly outshining entire galaxies. In their fiery deaths, stars forged new elements: carbon, oxygen, iron, the building blocks of planets and life. These elements were scattered into space, enriching the cosmos for the next generation of stars. The universe was no longer just hydrogen and helium. It was becoming more complex, more interesting. Each stellar death seeded the cosmos with the raw materials for worlds like our own. The cycle of birth and destruction made the universe richer with every generation. The first stars lit up the darkness and set the stage for everything to come. From their ashes, new stars and planets would form. The universe was learning to recycle, to build, to evolve. The cosmic story was accelerating. As stars ignited, gravity pulled them together into vast spinning galaxies, cosmic cities of light. Early galaxies were chaotic, colliding and merging in spectacular dances. Over time, these interactions shaped the beautiful spirals and ellipticals we see today. Our Milky Way is one such spiral, home to hundreds of billions of stars and a supermassive black hole at its center. Galaxies cluster together, forming a cosmic web separated by immense voids. This structure grew from tiny fluctuations in the early universe, amplified by gravity. The universe became a tapestry of light and darkness, order and chaos. But this process of creation cannot last forever. The universe is still expanding, and its fate depends on that expansion. The next chapter takes us into the unknown. For decades, we thought gravity would slow the universe's expansion, but in the late 1990s, astronomers discovered something shocking. The expansion is speeding up. A mysterious force, dark energy, is pushing space apart, overwhelming gravity. We don't know what dark energy is, only that it's accelerating the universe's growth. The more space expands, the faster it expands, a runaway effect. This changes everything. The cosmos is not coming together, but drifting apart. In the far future, distant galaxies will vanish beyond our reach, leaving only our local group. The night sky will grow emptier, lonelier. The universe's fate is now driven by this strange, invisible force. The final acts of the cosmos are set in motion. If dark energy continues, the universe faces the big freeze, a slow fade into darkness and cold. Over trillions of years, star formation will cease as gas runs out. The last stars, dim red dwarfs, will flicker out, leaving only stellar remnants. White dwarfs, neutron stars, black holes. Even black holes will eventually evaporate through Hawking radiation, vanishing over unimaginable timescales. Matter may decay, dissolving into a thin, cold soup of particles. The universe will become a vast, empty void, approaching absolute zero. No new stars, no new worlds, just silence. This is the quiet end, a universe run down with nothing left to happen. The story of creation closes in darkness, but other endings are possible. If dark energy grows stronger, the universe could face the Big Rip. Galaxies, stars, planets, even atoms would be torn apart as space itself unravels. The end would come swiftly and violently, destroying all structure. Alternatively, if gravity wins, the universe could collapse in a big crunch. Everything would rush together, ending in a fiery singularity. Some imagine this could spark a new Big Bang, a cosmic rebirth, the Big Bounce. But with accelerating expansion, these scenarios seem unlikely. For now, the evidence points to a one-way journey into cold and dark. The universe's fate remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Yet the search for answers continues. We've traveled from the birth of time to the universe's possible ends. A cold fade, a violent rip, or a fiery crunch. This cosmic story can make us feel small, but our ability to understand it is what makes us significant. We are stardust, conscious matter, the universe aware of itself. Our curiosity drives us to explore, to question, to seek our place in the cosmos. Science is our tool for discovery, connecting us to everything around us. By looking up, we find wonder, humility, and perspective. The universe's story is our story. Its beginning, our beginning. Its fate, our context. Studying the cosmos teaches us about ourselves and the preciousness of our world. The universe doesn't owe us understanding, yet we are beginning to grasp its secrets. That journey is worth taking.